I forgot to record an intro, so if you want to see how I created this look using nothing new, then keep watching. So I've already kind of combed through my eyebrows. I'm using the Ulta Beauty, I always say that, Ulta Beauty Brow Tint in Medium. That's what it looks like. And it has a little bit of a spoolie. So I just brushed through with that. And then as far as a base for my eyeshadow, I put the Rolling in the Dough color down, and it's a very nice color because it just kind of blocks out all the discoloration. So first I am going to take Living Lavish, purple color, and I'm going to put that in my crease and a little bit on the arm. And the reason I put it a little bit above my crease is because I do have hooded eyes. So if I put it just in my crease, when I look at straight on, you wouldn't really be able to see the color as much. So I always go above my crease, so when my eyes are open, you can still see the color. Next, I'm going to go in with Moneybags, this green color over here, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner. Since I started doing YouTube, my makeup collection has really grown. I think most YouTubers, that is a common thing that happens. There's just so many new products that come out and just so many things to try. I'm just gonna go back in with that Live in Lavish over here and just kind of blend this back in, and kind of the green kind of overshadowed some of the colors, so. And then I'm just going to take the brush that I used for rolling in the dough. I'm not adding anything more onto it, and just blending all this out. So yeah, this year I definitely want to go back to some of the products that I love and get more use out of them. This palette is actually in my Pan This Palette project that I'm currently working on. So it's always good to try to make some progress on it. And what I'm going to do is, this is the Too Faced Naked Eye palette. This is really old and part of my project pan for 2020. And I made really good headway of it, and I just set it aside. I don't know why I didn't finish it, but I'm going to use the black color in here, which is called Stiletto, as an eyeliner. And I'm going to put this on and then go in with the gold color and see then if I need to redo the eyeliner. Sometimes I like to do it this way just to kind of see how it looks. And now I want to do a pop of fun. So I'm going to go in with Chocolate Gold, this gold color, and I'm going to pat it on with my fingers, see how bright it is, to see if I need to do a cut crease or if this will be bright enough. And looking like that will be bright enough. And again, this is the brush that I used when I put down Rolling in the Dough. I'm not adding anything more to it, and just kind of go back and blend this. Then I'm going to take the brush that I used with Moneybags, and I'm not adding anything more onto it either. And I'm just going to, just where the gold and the green meets, just kind of buff those together so it blends a little bit better. And again, I'm not adding any more color to this one either. This is the brush with Live and Lavish. I'm going to go back to this Too Faced Naked Eye, and I have this white color up here in the buff with a big fluffy brush, and we're just going to put that right there. I'm going to go back to the Too Faced with the little black color and put that on the lower lash line. Definitely need some mascara for this look. I am using, this is the Clinique High Impact Mascara in black. On my face, what I'm going to do is use the Catrice Liquid Camo Concealer. The color that I have is 001 Fair. So I'm just going to use that. And then this is a Laura Geller Illuminating Foundation. It's a powdered balanced. It's baked, balanced, and glow and toffee. So I don't want to have a kind of a heavier look, just kind of lightweight today. So I'm going to spot with this, and then I'm going to go in with this powdered foundation with a brush. If I used it with a sponge, you get more coverage. So I'm just going to use a brush since I don't want a heavy full coverage. I'm taking this as an e.l.f. really fluffy brush, and I'm going to go on with that Laura Geller Baked. I find that this just gives a really nice finish. It is a little dark, but that's why I apply it this way, so it's not too dark for me. I feel like that concealer really didn't do anything with my dark circles, so I'm going to go back in with my Clinique. My color is 02 Light, and I just find that does a little bit of a better job with my dark circles. For blush and highlighter, for blush I'm using Tarte and Parte. This is a mini. It was a Sephora birthday gift one year. And then this is It Cosmetics Hello Light Cream Illuminator. And that's what that looks like. And those are just hairs from my brush that I was using. For lipstick, this is the Josie Maran, and let's see, Magic Marker Lip and Cheek Stain and Flamenco. I think I'm saying that right. And this really does feel like you're using a marker on your lips. As far as like the application, it completely feels like a marker. And it dries, it may look like it's kind of wet. I'm not sure on camera if it's picking it up, but it dries really quick. But it's not drying. That is a little brighter of a red than I actually want on today's look. So when that happens, what I like to do is, this is Circadia Cosmetics. They are an indie brand made in the US. This was from the October mystery box. And look at how cute this lip gloss is. It's like a little candy corn. So this is a good one. It's kind of like that orangish, yellowish gloss. So I find that if I put this over kind of a bright red or a bright pink or something like that, it kind of tones down the color. I'll show you. So here's my look for my first Flashback Friday on my channel. Let me know what you think. So if you do like this video, if you could please give me a thumbs up down below and leave a comment. It really helps me out. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I will pop up some other videos from my channel if you want to check those out as well. And I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.